Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on iRobot Roomba J7. To do this, first you will need to install iRobot app, which you can find on the Google Play Store or any other store. When you have that app installed, then the robot needs to be connected to the charging station, and charging station needs to be connected to the power source. Now open the app. Here at the top you should be able to find your robot already if it's properly connected. If not, we need to scroll down and select the product. Go for vacuum robot, select Roomba J series, and then we can get started. Here's the mention of the charging station, make sure it's connected, and now our robot is ready. First step during the setup is to connect the robot with the Wi-Fi network, and we're gonna go with yes, continue. My phone is connected to 2.4G network. Make sure you're connected to the 2.4 as well. Now enter the password for that network and click on continue. It should begin connecting with the robot. And we need to press on the circle button on top of our robot once to connect it with our smartphone. So at the end you will see a message that your robot is successfully connected. We can click on continue, rename the robot, it's optional, then click on continue again, and it should start to finish that setup. Okay, so there's the introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna quickly skip it. Maybe later, opt out. And here's our control panel for the robot. That means the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.